Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. This is the project 10 of MSBI and this is the part 1 video. So before we go into the topic, so if you didn't subscribe till now, please subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends. And the Telegram group, so many students were asking, so the Telegram group of the software courses work support channel is given in the description. Kindly join in that one for more updates. So in this video I am going to execute the part 1 of the MSBI project. So the part 1 is regarding the SSIS. After long time I have uploaded this video. So in this video we require an Visual Studio 2019 with the SSIS package installed in it. So if you didn't know how to install that one, the SSIS tutorial playlist is there in the iCard and end card. So kindly watch that one. And you need to have a Microsoft SQL Server 2019 software. So this is the thing. So here what I am going to do is that I have created a database with MSBI project as there are no custom tables created by me. So in this database I am going to load the data. So here this is the Visual Studio 2019 with the SSIS package window. So once I open the SSIS window, so I need to create an SSIS package. So by selecting this SSIS packages, right click new package. Once you click on the new package, a new package will be created here by name package1.dtsx. So this is the thing first. So what I am going to do is, after I create the MSBI database in the SQL server, I need to have some CSV files in a folder on desktop or some other location. So I am having the hotel data, which lot much of data in each CSV file. This is the first CSV file, this is the second CSV file. So this is hotel reservations 1, which is having so many rows. So in real-time environment, so you will be having lot many of rows which includes so much of data. So as we are speaking about the hotel data, we are going to work on this one now. So this is the data which I am going to show now here. So this is the data you are having. So many rows were there. So many. So 36,276 like that. So here everything were there, but here we don't have the file name included. So means this is hotel reservation 1 file name and this is the hotel reservation 2. So we need to know from which file we are getting the data. So that one should be loaded into the database based on the name of the file. So for example, if the hotel ID is present in the hotel reservation 1, so the file name should be hotel reservation 1. If it is from hotel reservation 2, so that should be from hotel reservation 2. That name of the file should be shown in the database MSBI project. So for that one, what I am going to do is that firstly I am going to create two variables. So here you will be having an option called as variables. If we click on that one, so if you select if you click here add variable, so you will be getting the add variable. Give the name as the first variable name as file path, and package 1 will be by default included there, and the data type is of string data type, and the second variable is that file name, and the data type is of string data type. So once we click here, now two variables were there. So if you click here now, we will be getting those two included. So if you click here, it will be disappeared. So now what I am going to do is that I will be going into the SSIS toolbox and I will be using the for each loop container. So I will be dragging that for each loop container to the control flow area. This entire thing is control flow area. This is data flow area. These are parameters. These are event handlers. And these are package explorer where variables will be resided. So in the previous video you can watch those things in the SSIS tutorials. And I need to enlarge this one for loop container. So if I right click on this for each loop container, so you will be having an option called edit option. Click that one. So once you click on that one, so a new window will be opened. So this is the window. So in that you will be having an option called as collection. So click on that one, and in that what you need to do is that you need to select the enumerator. The enumerator we are going to select is that for each item, for each file enumerator. So by default for each item enumerator will be there. For each file enumerator you need to select, because we are going to select all the files by selecting the first files by default from the hotel data folder. From here I will be selecting only hotel reservations 1 that I will be loading, but by using the for each file enumerator, all the files present in the hotel data folder will be loaded automatically. So that is whether it is 2 or more. Okay, so after that what I need to do is that I need to select the folder where the hotel data folder is present. So my hotel data folder is on desktop. So this is the thing. So select that one, click OK. Here what we need to do is that by default star dot star will be there, that is files. So you need to take a backspace. So and you need to consider star data caps lock CSV, because the files are of type CSV file type, and go to the variables mapping and select the variable that is file path, because we have selected the file path here, user file path what we have created before. So now go to the OK option here, click OK. So everything clear till here. Now what we need to do is that we need to go into the SSIS toolbox and drag a script task. So because in the previous tutorials in the tutorials SSIS tutorials I have explained regarding the script task component. So go to this one and drag that script task from here to the for each loop container. So enlarge this one and give the name of this script task as get file name. Get file name. So this was the thing I have given. And now if I select this script task, right click, go to the edit option. So here I am going to use the script as C#. So you can use VB or C#. So how to use that one? So here by default the window will be opened. So you will be having two options. One is the Visual C# 2018 and another one is the Visual Basic. But I will be selecting Visual C#. And next what we need to do is that we need to select the read only variable as file path. So click on that read only variable. So if you go here, so user file path, so select that one, and here you are having read write variable, select that one as file name. So click here, so this one will be the file name. Okay, now we need to click on the edit script so that the Visual Studio tools for application window will be opened with the C# coding.